Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. Let's take an example, minus 3x plus 2y greater or equal minus 6, and we have to draw the graphical solution of this inequation in this graph page. So to do that, to draw its solution set graphically, first what we need to do, we need to convert the inequation into the equation. So the equation of this inequation we have written, and we know that every linear equation in two variable gives us a straight line in its graphical representation. So it will also give us the same. Now how to draw the graph of this linear equation? That is, we will use the intercept form. First, we will make the right hand side as 1. So we have divided both the side by minus 6 to get the right hand side as 1. Now we will take all the coefficients of x and y at the denominator. So x by 2 plus y by minus 3 is equals to 1 we will get, and obviously the sign between them should be positive. If it is a negative, then we have to take the minus sign with the coefficient of y, but we have to keep the in between sign as positive. So this form thus obtained is called the intercept form of a straight line, and the conclusion from here it is the line will pass through 2, 0 and minus 3, 0, minus 3. This line will pass through these 2 points, and once we have got 2 points, then we can draw the straight line uniquely. So we plot the point 2, 0 will be here, and 0, minus 3 will be here. So we can draw the straight line uniquely. So we have obtained the straight line. Now since it is a straight line, so arrow mark should be there on both the side. It should continue up to the infinity. Now since it is not the vertical straight line and it is an oblique straight line, so the upper portion of the straight line will be called as upper half of the plane and lower portion will be called as the lower half. And if it is a vertical straight line, so for any vertical straight line we will get the left part, left half, and right half. Left half and right half we will get for the vertical straight line, and for any other straight lines, whether it's or horizontal or it is an oblique straight line, for them we will get the upper half and lower half. Now we have to take the decision that whether the solution set will be the upper half of the straight line or the lower half of the straight line. For that one, what we will do, we will select another point which is not lying on this line. So let's select 0, 0, which is not on this line, and we'll put this point 0, 0 on the inequation. Okay, so the inequation is given minus 3x plus 2y greater or equal minus 6, and we will put 0, 0 in the inequation. And what we will get? Left hand side we will get as 0, which is greater than equals to minus 6 in the right hand side. Right hand side is obviously minus 6, it's a constant given there. So 0 is obviously greater or equal minus 6, and thus 0, 0 satisfying the inequation. 0, 0 is satisfying the inequation. That means 0, 0, this origin should be there inside our solution set. So definitely the solution set, if it contains the 0, 0, so solution set will be in this side. that is the upper half of this line, will be the solution set. So the entire upper half will be our solution set. If it doesn't satisfy, 0, 0 doesn't satisfy this inequation, so we will be saying that the lower half of the straight line will be the solution set. But in this case, it's satisfying, so the direction will be towards that point. So now if a straight line is itself passing through 0, 0, so we will be selecting any other point like -1, 1 or -2, 2, any other point other than the points on that line to decide whether the upper half will be the solution set or the lower half will be the solution set. Let's draw the solution set properly, and since it is greater equal sign, so the equality holds there, so the graph or the lines should be should touch the straight line. If it is only given greater than sign, equality doesn't hold there in the equation, so we will not be touching this straight line. We will leave a gap between this shaded portion and the straight line. So this upper half will be the solution set. Next we will be solving the system of linear inequations in two variable, obviously in graphically. Here we have been given a set of three inequations which you have to solve graphically. So first we will be writing the inequation in the equation, and we will be drawing the equations in the graph page. So first, 5x plus 4y equals to 40 is the first equation, and x equals to 2 is the second equation it is given, and y equals to 3 is the third one. So to draw the graphs, let's convert this one into the intercept form. So 5x by 40, that is x by 8 plus y by 10 equals to 1. So it has been converted into intercept form. That means the straight line 1 will pass through 8, 0 and 0, 10. Let's draw the straight lines in the graph page. Let's draw the axis first. Okay, so let's plot the points first. 8, 0, that is here, and 0, 10, that is here is the 0, 10. So joining that 2 points, we will get the first straight line. If I join that 2 points, we will get the first straight line, and we will name it as number 1 so that it doesn't mix up with the other straight lines. Then the next straight line is x equals to 2. So x equals to 2 is here, and x equals to 2 means y will vary and x is always fixed. That means it will be parallel to y axis. So let's draw a parallel line passing through x equals to 2. That will be the line x equals to 2. So it is the second straight line. So let's give it a name, 2. We have written 2, so to represent that it's a second straight line. Now the third straight line is y equals to 3. That means whatever x will be there, y value is always fixed. That is, it will be passing through 0, 3, and it will be parallel to x axis. So it is our third straight line. So we are naming it as 3, since this is the third straight line. Now each of these linear inequations will have a different solution region, and we will be taking the common part between that three solutions regions. And so at first let's draw the solution regions for the individual straight lines. So let's choose a point which is not lying on any of the three straight lines. That is, let's take 0, 0, as 0, 0 doesn't lie in any of the three straight lines. Now if I put 0, 0 on the inequation, first inequation, then I am getting that 0, 0 satisfies the equation 1, as in the left hand side I will get 0, and in the right hand side it is given 40, and obviously 0 is less than 40. So 0, 0 is satisfying the inequality 1. That means the solution set for the first straight line will contain 0, 0. So the shade should be towards 0, 0. And all the points in the lower half plane will be in the solution set for the first one. Now for the second one, that is x equals to 2, let's put 0, 0 there again, and we will get 0 greater equal 2, which is not satisfying the inequation, because 0 is definitely less than 2, so it is not greater equal to. 0 is less than 2 and it is not greater equal to. That means 0, 0 should not be in the solution set of the second equation. So and equation 2 is the vertical straight line. Equation 2 is the vertical straight line, so we will be calling it that the right half plane will be the solution set for equation 2. Now let's see the third inequation, that is y greater equal 3, and if we put 0, 0 there, once again, since 0, 0 is also not lying on the line y equals to 3, so if we put 0, 0 there, again we are getting 0 greater equal 3, which is not satisfying. So 0 doesn't greater equal 3. So 0, 0 should not be there in the solution set of the 3 as well. So the upper half plane will be the solution set for equation 3 also. Okay, now we have to find which portion is the common shaded region. That means all the three types of straight line is passing through it. Which portion is that? So we are getting this triangular portion is the common region where all the solution sets are passing through it. Hence, the solution of the given system of linear inequation is the common shaded region in the adjacent figure. So all the points in that common region will be a solution of that given system of linear inequation. And in this way you have to solve the system of linear inequations graphically.